Hey folks, actually understudy ako ni Lea Salonga. Charot! So I just watched the last show of Into the Woods Philippines and syempre, dahil a bit after midnight na, kakanta tayo kahit kakauwi lang natin. Acapella lang. Witch's Lament. This is the world I meant. Couldn't you listen? Couldn't you stay content? Safe behind walls as I could not. Now you know what's out there in the world. No one can prepare you for the world. Even I, how could I, who loved you as you were, how could I have shielded you from her or them? No matter what you say, children won't listen. No matter what you know, children refuse to learn. Guide them along the way, still they won't listen. Children can only grow from something you love to something you lose. Yun. So, yun lang. Oh my God. Sana talaga yung palabas sa Philippines. Huwag naman in 5 years time. And Death Becomes Her, the musical. And also, I think interesting yung The Devil Wears Prada musical. I just heard one song. And yeah, I'm gonna like listen to the full album. So, yun lang. Kita-kits na lang sa musicals and other stuff.